Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to remove an object from an image using Google Gemini and Nano Banana. So to do this you have just to go to Google Gemini, open it, and after that go and click on the plus button in the bottom of the screen and click on Photos. After that click on the photo from that photo you want to delete the objects. Confirm to upload the photo, and here type whatever things you want to edit on your photo and whatever things you want to remove. For example, I will ask Nano Banana and Google Gemini to remove the logos from the shirt, and I will click send, and we will wait for a few seconds for Google Gemini to generate the new picture without logos in the shirt. And of course you can apply the same method to remove anything from any photo and the work will be done. And as you can see, they removed the logos from my shirt. And you can remove whatever thing from your pictures with the same method. I hope that you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe